This video demonstrates how to flush ink and cleaning fluids and replace their bottles from the Blade 2 saw machine. Always follow all posted safety instructions. Perform any lockout/tagout procedures according to your company's guidelines, and always review all documentation before operating any equipment. Warning: printer ink and cleaner is highly flammable. Always wear gloves while handling these substances. If these materials come into contact with skin, hair, eyes, or clothing, or are ingested or inhaled, follow the instructions shown on screen immediately. Chapter 1: Flushing the printer. The printer should be flushed to clean ink out of the lines every weekend. Before doing so, you must identify your printer, as the flushing instructions refer to 32, 16, and 7 valve printers. For information on identifying your printer, refer to the manual or the Blade 2 printer maintenance overview video. The flushing procedure. First, go to the Detailed Diagnostics printer screen in the Blade 2 software. If you are flushing 32 or 16 valve print heads, notice that near the top, in the middle of the screen, there is a valve that switches between ink and cleaner. To flush valves, select the print head from the drop-down arrow at the left side of the menu. Then, to flush ink out and bring cleaner in, select Cleaner. For 7 valve print heads, note that they have a valve that must be switched manually. This valve is located between the ink supply bottles and print heads on your machine. To flush ink out and bring cleaner fluid in, select Cleaner by turning the valve handle clockwise towards the machine. Place a paper towel in front of the purge valve and manually purge the lines by pulling the valve back. Lastly, place a paper towel in front of the print head, and from the printer flush settings screen, select Flush. After you have flushed ink out, and it is time to use the printer again, you will need to flush the cleaner out of the system. Reselect the print head from the drop-down menu and then select Ink. Remember, you must manually switch the valve for 7 valve print heads. For ink, turn the handle counterclockwise away from the machine. Place a paper towel back in front of the purge valve and manually purge the lines. Again, to do this, pull the valve back. Finally, place a paper towel back in front of the print head, and from the printer flush settings screen, select Flush. Chapter 2: Replacing ink or cleaner fluid bottles. First and most important, lock out and tag out the pneumatic system's main regulator. To do this, start by opening the outfeed door. Then, flip the power switch on the printer pump to the off position. Pull the ring on the pressure relief valve to release all air pressure in the print system. Afterward, shake the new ink bottle vigorously. Remove the cap and cut a slit in the foil seal. Remove the filter assembly from the empty bottle and insert it into the new one. Place the new bottle into the ink bottle holder. Next, flip the power switch on the printer pump back on and close the door. Then, purge the line. Lastly, ensure the valve is in the ink position for printing. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact MiTek Automation Support.